Alright, for this next lesson, what I want to show you guys and talk about is something called average. Okay? And in some cases, you might want to figure out what is the average cost that I'm spending here. So if, say for example, you want to know like how much you're spending on an average for a year on the equipment. So say for example, if this was purchased for an average year of equipment, you wanted to know like what was the average price per equipment. So you might look at something like typing in right here average. So at the example of A18, I'm going to type in average. And the noise in the background you hear is Starbucks. So my average you would look at is cost. So you're going to go into, for me, I'm going to go into this section here, and I'm going to click down here and look for average. And then I'm going to go up here to the top, and I'm going to drag down until I get to the bottom of the last one I did, which is 6, and it's a football one, and I'm going to hit enter. So my average cost was $18.50 for a product. Okay. Now, the next one I might want to do is what was I spending on an average for those products. So after like you taking into account of the quantity of all of them and everything, what was the average of those? In that scenario, you're going to click here and you're going to do the same thing. Click here and choose average, and you'll go up here and you'll drag down, and it's going to tell you what the average is, and you're going to press enter. So the average price that you spent altogether on an item was $178.29. Okay. Now another item that you might want to do is what was the maximum price that you spent. Okay. Well, what's cool with these spreadsheets is that they allow you to do the same thing as well. So to get a quick view on what the max was, you would just click max, and you're going to go here and you're going to highlight and go down, and then you'll hit enter, and it's going to say, well, the max price you actually paid was $50, and it's absolutely right. If you look right here, $50 was the most that we spent. Okay, I'm going to make these all dollar signs so they come up as dollars. And if you haven't done that, do so please. Okay. Now, what was the most I spent on, say, equipment as a subtotal? Well, I want to know that too. Well, you might be able to just take this and go and drag it over here, and it'll give it to you. And it did, just like that. Now let's look at another one, which I want to show you, which is the minimum price. What costs me the least? So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to type in minimum. Come down here. I'm going to go to this function here and go to minimum. And I'm going to go and drag this down, just like I did before, and press enter. And that's going to give me the minimum amount I paid for something. And if I am to drag that over this way, it'll also tell me the minimum amount that I spent on that product as a whole. Okay? Not necessarily will it be the same one as the $4, because if you look and find that $4 one right here, we actually spent $80. However, if you come down here, here's that $36, and it was a football that we actually ended up spending that on. Okay? So why don't you go ahead and try this for the next one that I have you guys doing. Good luck.